Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this. This is a Broadlink universal remote. And so this works with all sorts of different random things, but what I'm gonna use it for is I need to get RF frequency stuff into my smart home automation system. And so that's what this should hopefully do. And so this is what the little device looks like here. I think it's probably gonna plug in somewhere. Let's see, here's the wire for it. So it looks like it's a micro USB, so it's old school some stuff. And I don't know where, oh, it plugs in right there on the side. So I'll plug it in there, and then I'll probably be able to connect it up to my automation stuff, and we will go from there. And it even gives you a little mounting bracket to mount it on the wall. But so my goal is to replace, I have these remotes for my window blinds, and I have 5 of them in well, 4 of them in this one room. And so it's just annoying having to push the buttons for all those. So this should make it so I can do it with my phone. So we're gonna give this a try, and I'll update you guys on how it all works.